Gold and silver both have been trading with a bearish bias, and a sell entry, as I shared in the morning update, was at 2044, and for silver was at 2595. And also, we know that the support levels for gold till 2030 is very, very strong, and for silver till 2580, the first strongest support, both restricting to break below these levels, and now fairly trading at a good resistance. So what to expect? Remember, NFP data will bring volatility, and hence you have to trade with caution. So which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the first update for the day. The second update will be, this is the second update for the day rather, and first update is always getting released with the Asia session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we look into gold, followed with silver. Also, you can keep yourself updated by joining my free Telegram channel. Link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First look into gold. Here see, it was giving higher lows, lower highs here, and then this breakdown has happened, and that is where I asked you to sell at 2044 levels, and see it has so far has seen a good drop. Now see, 2040 is the resistance. With that as a resistance, it is trying to look downwards, and now 2034 30 levels are a very, very good support for gold, and only if it breaks below 2030 we can see further bearishness here. Stochastic on the hourly charts is extremely oversold here. MACD is also divergent and bearish, and if you look at the RSI, this is also looking at bottom. Hence about 2040, yes, you can initiate a buy, but then you have to be very, very alert, because 2050 is the level it needs to pass by, and then 2555, 2060. If these three levels are taken up, then you can say that gold has turned bullish. It is reversing and it is going to fly high. Now look at 2-hour charts. Look at this candle, almost from 2050 to 2040, $10 move. So from 2040, $10 means 2030 levels it can try to stretch. Be careful there. Stochastic back to oversold. MACD on the 2-hour charts is divergent, bearish. It is looking down. It can stretch the drop. RSI is also looking down, trying to trade bearish. On the 3-hour charts too, see, looking down, possibly 2030 at least should be there, and once it breaks below 2030 we can see more bearishness. However, on the downside, 2020 levels we will wait, rather I will say 2018 levels we will wait for it to break pass by in order to confirm the reversal. So what you can do here is you can sell here at 2034 levels, and buy here, rather you can say you can buy at 2040, but then 2045, 50, 55, 60, four levels you should watch out for. Beyond 2060, certainly it is going to fly. On the downside, you can sell at 2035 levels, but then 34 till 2030 anyways there are good support. So yes, if you are taking a buy entry or sell entry at 2035 levels, you have to remain extremely cautious and watchful. Below 2030 there is going to be a very good drop. Stochastic at bottom on the 3-hour charts. See the MACD crossing over and trading with divergence. This is the third red candle. It can continue with this bearishness. Yes, it can try to hit 2030 levels before it tries to look forward to a reversal. RSI trying to look down, trying to trade bearish. And if you look at 4-hour charts, remember on the 4-hour charts, see this was the first red candle after consolidation for a while, and if you look at, see, higher lows are still respected, and hence once 2035 levels are breached, potentially it will look forward to 2030 levels. Now see, 20 period moving average here certainly be a very good support, and below that we may see it retracing till towards 2020, the next strongest support. Any rise beyond 2050 is a very good indication, rather I will say 2060 definitely is there, but yes, in fact if it trades about 2050 levels itself, you can expect that it is going to fly high. Stochastic looking down, MACD crossing over for a sell. This is the first red candle. It can continue with the downward move, it can stretch the top. RSI looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. Look at the daily chart. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, lower highs, higher lows. Wait for it to break past 2030 levels, then only further stretch or further drop till towards 2020 can be expected here. Stochastic again looking down. MACD on the daily charts is bullish here. It is just crossed over. It is trading with little divergence. RSI trying to look down, trying to trade bearish. So for the day, yes, you can initiate a buy entry at 2040 levels, but then 2044 45 first target, 2050 second, and yes, if it trades about 2050, then there will be little more bullishness today, where you can expect 20, 55 and 60. Beyond 60 it is a reversal here, and hence you should take your positions. You should trail your stop losses till 2060 levels. So buy at 2040 levels itself. On the downside, you can sell here at 2034, 2035 levels, and below that 2030 first targets, Till 2030 it has got very good support, and below 2030 there could be accelerated bearishness which might take the prices till towards 2020 and below levels. Remember, 2020 is a very good support, so take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver, and before we proceed to that, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 22nd batch starts on first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Let's have a look at the hourly charts. Now, see on silver on the hourly charts, it's still getting the support at 2580, which is a very good support. In the morning update, I asked you to sell at 25.95 and then expect 25.80 levels. It has gone close to it. Now, if it trades below 25.80, you can expect further bearishness, which is going to take it till towards 25.60, the next strongest support. Remember, see, the moving averages have started to converge. They have started to look downwards. This is a slightly bearish indication. And now on the upside, see, first of all, look at this here, 25.95. Previously with this was a sell entry. Now I will recommend you to buy only if you see it trading about $26 levels, which is the next strongest resistance. Stochastic at bottom and oversold. MACD divergent and bearish. It is looking down. It is still trying to bring the prices down. RSI trying to look downwards, trying to trade bearish. Now look at the 2-hour charts. See, on the 2-hour chart so far, higher lows, you can see this, and higher highs. Hence, wait for it to break past 25.80 and then you can stay short below 25.80 levels, where you can expect further bearishness. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, looking downwards here. This is a bearish indication, as this crossover has happened at a slightly higher levels and hence it can try to pull the prices down. RSI looking downwards, and on the 3-hour charts, if you look at the 3-hour chart, this is the see, successive red candles here, almost at the support. Yes, if you see it trading below 25.80, you can stay short for 25.60, 65 zone, and then below that further. If it breaks, remember 25.40 is the level which I will be looking forward for it to break below, and then further bearishness will prevail there. Stochastic back to oversold. Look at MACD crossing over for a sell here, and this crossover is happening at a slightly higher levels. It might bring the prices down. RSI trying to look down, trying to trade bearish. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, this is the second red candle here. You can clearly see, first of all, 4 red candles in a straight line, and there was a resistance at 26.10 which it failed to break past by first red candle, and this is the second red candle. Now see, once it breaks below 25.80, it may get an accelerated bearishness, taking it till towards 25.60 levels. You can stay short with the stop loss at 26.10, sell at 25.80. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking down, trying to trade bearish. MACD trying to converge crossover. It is still bullish. Remember, it is not yet crossed over. RSI looking down, trying to trade bearish here. And if you look at the daily, see, in the morning update, I told you it is trading outside Bollinger Bands. It may get a pullback. And if you connect the dots here till 25.60, it has got very good support, and this is the bottom of the channel. Remember, it has opened at a high, it traded outside Bollinger Bands. It expanded the Bollinger Bands a little, now trying to keep itself within the limits, and once it breaks below 25.60, 25.50 zone, remember, till 25.40 it has got very good supports, and hence you can sell here at 25.80 and stay short there. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD trying to cross over for a buy. It has not yet crossed over. Remember this, it is still on the sell side here. It can start to diverge if today we get a very strong bearish candle. RSI was overbought, trying to look downwards. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 25.80 and buy at 26.05 or 26.10 levels. See, you can buy at 25.95 itself, but till 26.10, it is your call. I think we will get a very good support till 26.10 levels. Those who want to take a safe entry should wait for 25.10 to be breached, and then beyond that one can stay bullish. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.